The issue here is that we the guys are facing a lot of problems. I'm part of it. I'm a guy though. I'm part of it. Yeah, and we are facing a lot of problems here. You see, we don't know the priority of sex. Yes, we don't know the priority of sex. So today, I want to discuss with you. I want to tell you what you have to do when it comes to relationship, in sex. Masa, and yes, so the boom, pam, 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 pam. They say, oh, boss football. No, you know, be search, my brother. You know, be search. The ladies, this thing, it's not the matter of you hitting, going up and down, hitting to the fullest, hitting the even to the extent of hitting the womb. No. Yes, oh, bano. 1, you are disturbing the lady. 2, oh, how angaza on. Yeah, that's the fact. Oh, how? Because who cover with pressure? No one girl no ni humba. I tell you ni humba. Because where you're supposed to hit, you are not hitting that spot. You understand? And today, I want you to watch this video. Watch this video clearly. Yeah, you believe me if I tell you that big dick is not the main reason for making a lady come. No. You can use this to make her come. Okay? So I appreciate it if you watch this video. Watch the video to the end and then let's see what we can discuss more.
The vagina anatomy, the man must know. To say the Lord's Prayer. If we are not about squirting. Okay. Inti bebe bia me sra me free ha. Mama can't tell me say my penis is because a chakra 2 inches there. Oh. Inti a friend saying clitoris ni G spot no ha. Say o be no say doggy a be say. Na bia o de pillow bia to ase. Na oko 9 shallow. I know how you say enche or barn home. You can even do this for her to orgasm. To call 9 shallow. 1, 2, 3. And you get it. So we the same rhythm now or barn home and no now obey. Yes, sir. Who change the rhythm now? Pay a best arousal. Exactly. Okay. To call 9 shallow. I know how you 2 inch, 2 inch, 2 inches. 1 deep. It's a quad. Oh, it's maybe a becobiano or very okay. It's so much on your side spot orgasm. Yeah, now why is so wet enough for the cervix orgasm? Okay, also it depends on how well endowed you are. And then you go straight on the shallow nubium because or shallow wiring what graduate if you hold I say level 100 2 3 now go to call cervix no or jan cervical orgasm exactly embra squirting 1 the clitoris no obetimi stimulate clitoris na mana anya orgasm. Okay. 2. Ubetimi stimulate G spot no without the clitoris na ama nanya orgasm. Okay. So what I say. And in 2 inch deep. Okay. But then you bring it out. Exactly. Okay. Exactly. So to yen say na okay. Na when you G spot orgasm. Now, what person man squat here? Na onye ogbo friends obi a no kwate shan enya kwate shan onye expert seminar enya obi a enyime ye okay be mo ba na da ho na wabie ni nem obeda ho ayaya yes na wabie ni nem na wa your left finger no okay now the left finger no atu a friend say etweba no do now with the directional finger no so ade ashitwe no na in wire front and back oh okay. I too say oh yeah champion to say me obey ni say hey not sure that time I'm on for squat so okay na me we are member another one so actually okay esan say sisi onye undu ho no master no na bia o use san muscle nti na say o training san na why be 7 nti you have to use your 2 fingers nti left and then right. So left is on fencing, the clitoris, and then the right is in the inside the vagina, but not too deep. So you just work around here.
So what is shape trebenuma and no one sure na why yen sunny the me.
Yeah, no or the money about
or the rub in and out.
Exactly. Who say we say no. It's say a year rubber into a move. But then banana come move. Okay, here.
Okay.
Good. And to see.
Okay.
So
and the man of your sister the one or wobble.
Inti say lymph nodes no air fill bladder na yen say obejunso. That time na yen say obejunso no. Sanka junso wo ho anka ojunso you man ye. So what I say. Okay. But then it has to fill because
all right, welcome back. So you see what I'm talking about. You don't need big dick. You don't need long 9 inches, 12 inches, 15 inches, 20 inches dicks to make a lady come. You see the video? Just ask yourself, why do you lick a lady and then she comes? Are you telling me that your tongue and is longer and bigger than your dick? No. Your tongue cannot go deep into the engine. It's just the surface of it, but you can use your tongue to fuck a lady to come nicely. My brother, learn how to have good sex. You know, ladies love sex. Ladies love sex. I'm telling you, they love it. There is nothing makes a lady happy on this end than to give her very nice sex. A lady can have money. A lady can have everything in this world. But no good sex, she's never happy. You understand? Likewise, we guys, we might get all. Why do you spend money on the ladies? Because we enjoy that thing. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is that look at the best way to have sex, the best way to make a lady squirt, the best way to make a lady come to that apex. Not you going out and trying to make your big D. No, that is not the point here. The point here is what? How often do you make your girlfriend come? How often do you make your girlfriend squirt? How? Now, have you ever in life make a lady squirt as in urinate on bed? Have you ever tried that? If yes, leave your comment. If not, leave your comment. I told you this is main venue. Here we discuss things that makes guys, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. So now you've just seen the video. You see the video, right? It's the clitoris, the clit. You understand? The clit have to be brushed often. You penetrate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you hit the top there 1, 2, 3 up to 9 times. Then the 10th one you hit it deep. You understand? It changes the ladies. Yeah, you get me right. So please and please, my guys, I don't want you to disgrace yourself. I don't want you to disgrace yourself. That is what I'm doing all these things. Okay, thanks so much for being part of main venue. But hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you love this video. Thank you.